In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how I grew a digital product business to 8 figures. Now, this right here is $8.49 million I've processed for my own digital products. And we've also done a couple million on authorized.net, a couple million on PayPal, and even some wires for our mastermind. Now, why am I showing you this? It's to show you that what I'm about to tell you is real, it works, and it can help you. My name is Dan Henry, and I am the author of Digital Millionaire Secrets and also the founder of GetClients.com. And to date, I've sold over $13 million of my own digital products. That means online courses, coaching, masterminds, or software. If you would like to learn how to do this, I have a video. It is 48 minutes long. It has the 5 keys to growing and scaling a digital product business. If you click on the link included with this video, you will get instant free access to the video. There is no fluff in this video. I do not tell you my backstory. If you care about my backstory, you can go to my website and check out my about section. In this video, I give pure value, no fluff, and I get right to the point. So if you're sick of all the other gurus out there that make you sit through a 20-minute spiel on where they came from and why they were rich or why they were poor and then they got rich and all this crazy stuff, well, then go watch some other webinar. If you want the goods and you want it now, you'll click right now and you'll watch this training. So go ahead and click the link included with this video and you'll get instant access. I will talk to you soon and good luck to you.